Junkyard today. Look what we have found. A crew cab Silverado. Box truck anyway. Man, that's crazy. You think somebody rebuild this thing, you don't think it'd be sitting in the junkyard like this, and it's not in terrible shape. Definitely rebuildable. Bumper's still in good shape too. Missing a door here, but it's the front door, so you know you can still find them. Yeah, man, this thing would be fun to build. Of course, the dash is gone, like all of them. Well, we'll get to looking around some more here. Well, here's an old Honda. I kind of like it. Oh, look, interior's in good condition and everything. That'd been a fun one to build on. I'm not a big Honda fan, but I do like old cars. Got the station wagon. Hey, this thing been fun to work on. Well, here's another one at Junkyard. Alright, Junkyard Adventure again. Look at this thing. You don't see many of these. It's kind of cool. I don't know if, I guess it's still Dodge. You can consider, or Plymouth, you can consider it a Mopar, but that's a Dodge Daytona. I don't know why I think it's Plymouth, but anyway. I like the glass. It's kind of cool. I would never drive this. Well, I'd say never. I wouldn't pick this over another car, but be cool. Got the pop-up headlights. Alright, well, here's old LTD. These cars are pretty cool. Big old long boats. This is a 76. Oh, look at the seat. Still in good condition. Pretty cool old car. Well, anybody likes these old box Chevys? This one's not in terrible shape, actually. I mean, it looks bad, but all this rust is, you know, surface rust. 79. What was it, 79 Impala, probably? That's what I would guess. But what I actually stopped to look at was this thing right here. 66 Impala. This one's, it's pretty rough. Whole front clip's missing. Oh shoot. Whole frame is missing, it looks like. But this paint's kind of junk. It looks junky anyway. But the floor pans are still good. Door's still good. Trunk's still good. Oh, this side's pretty bad. Oh, there's some actual rust there. Pretty cool old car.